guys, my friend's going to quickly pop the wheelie. I can do it, but I fall over, so I hurt myself. He's going. Pop the wheelie, Liam. He said he's going to do it now. He's coming. In the air. Nice one. My turn. I'm not going to do a wheelie. I'm just going to go right. Hello. I'm just going to pop the wheelie and stuff. Don't spit on me. Ja.